Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing a wireless doorbell. You guys know I love reviewing wireless doorbells. So I'll put a link in the video description where you guys and girls can get this. So right away we see you get a door manual here. Oh, look at this. This is a big boy. So this would get plugged into your outlet and you would be able to change everything right here, volume. And it comes with, I believe, 2 doorbell ringers, or 2 doorbells. Yes, so there's one and number 2, which is nice because you can use this for multiple doors, so for your front or back or whatnot. Now all you got to do is go ahead and pull out this and it will start. So this is a push button, so when you press it, it lights up and it turns on. Go ahead and take off the wrapping paper here. So this will be great for using on our side door and our front door. Go ahead and put it in there. Now you can see on the back it's got template, which if you open up your box here, you can see that they supply you with double-sided tape. So all that does is you place it on here, peel the tape off, and then you mount it wherever you want. Alright, let's go ahead and test this out. So for us, we're going to put it under here. Now, the reason why I'm putting it under here is because this is my office, and this is where I am 95% of the time. So we're going to go down and we're going to mount this outside. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so we mounted one outside, and we have the other one here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test this out. So now if anyone comes to our front door, and I'll put this on our back door, I will be able to hear it. As you can see, it lights up blue. I can't tell you how many times I have been working and people have rang our doorbell and I've never known because I've been up here, and this will work perfectly. Alright, so to pair your ringtone that you want, you're going to want to go ahead and select the ringtone that you want, and then, so number 1, select the ringtone that you want before pairing. Number 2, long press the volume control button for 5 seconds until a ding dong is heard and the LED indicator lights start flashing to enter into pairing mode. Number 3, press the transmitter button to send a signal to the receiver. When the pairing ring is synced successfully, the receiver will play it. So this would be the transmitter button right here. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Alright, we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna long press volume. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and press this. Alright, now let's test it out. So that's very simple. So again, to recap for everyone, you go ahead and pick your sound you want. Now once you pick it, go ahead and press the volume button for 5 seconds and it will ding. And now press the button on your receiver here.
Hello, welcome.
Alright, now it's set.
Hello, welcome.
So it's very simple. It's a lot easier than some. So we can go up here and we can reach and we can see that there's different settings. So there's volume. Wow. So there's mute, just, okay, so you can mute it, and there's just the light. There's low, medium, high, crazy high. You can change the sounds, the tunes. Oh, I like that one. My grandparents had one similar to that. Wow. Oh, that's kind of cool. A lot of beautiful ringtones, or not ringtones, but alarms. Wow, it's almost never ending. There we go. Programmers are, so
Hello.
I'm very
Welcome.
happy with that. So yeah, my final thoughts are, honestly, I can give it an 8 out of 10, which would be a 4-star rating out of 5. I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this, but I'm very happy with it.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello, goodbye.